A Nest Thermostat showing no power to the R wire detected, and luckily I have a setup where I have other Nest thermostats, so I'm just going to change out the thermostat before I go jumping into the wiring. And I did on the other one pull the seal off and then reset the R wire to see if it was that. So here goes. I'm going to go ahead and plug this one in to here. This one, it's okay. It does seem to have the R wire. So on the other one, when I take this in, I'm most likely going to need to check it at the air handler. It's possible that the R wire came apart or something along those lines, and I'm going to switch this one to off. But I will just take this one back in the offhand chance that it's not that and that it just needed to be reset. So we'll see. But most likely I'm going to need to pull it apart at the thermostat and check the transformer. Okay, plugged the unit back in, but that didn't get it. What I had to do is push on the left-hand side of the service door to re-engage the service door switch. That's what it was, all fixed. That brought the power back to the red wire and the Nest thermostat back to normal. And the heater working again.